Hello Uganda, I hope everyone is doing fine. Do you want to start betting on Betika? Create your account in under 1 minute. My people, Katukore. Step number 1, go to Betika registration page. The link is in the description below. Let's go to that link. Here's my link. So here, first you enter your phone number, you choose your password and your first name, all right, and last name here. After you enter all those, make sure you have an ID, the name that you registered on national identification, you write it here. Then here you write the ID number, okay, ID number on the card that you registered for national identification. All right, after that, then you sign up. Once you have done that, then you're good to go. Make your first deposit, and I'm going to give you tools that you can use so that you play all the games there wisely and smartly.